Mommy, wake up!
What is it, Lily?
It's the middle of the night. My tooth hurts.
I know, sweetie. Come here.
Can you make it stop?
Let's try together. Open your mouth.
Like this?
That's it. Which tooth is it?
This one, at the back.
Hold on, sweetie. I have something to help.
What is it?
A little warm tea and a soft cloth. Press it here, gently.
Okay. It feels a little better.
Good job, Lily. Easy now. Breathe slowly. In and out. In and out.
The pain is going away.
That's the spirit.
But my tooth feels funny.
Funny how? Wiggle it gently.
Oh, it moved!
That's your first loose tooth.
Is that why it hurts?
Yes, my brave girl. You're growing up.
Will it fall out?
Soon, sweetie. Then the tooth fairy comes.
Really?
Really.
I'm not scared anymore.
That's it.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you.
I love you too, my brave girl. Now close your eyes.
Good night, Mommy.
Good night, sweetie. Sweet dreams.